And so my base is on. It took me a while to figure the next colors that I'm going to be using because I will be mixing some of the colors, and the shade it's a bit hard to find because it's in between shade. But let's just move on. Before anything, I prime my eyes with MAC Soft Ochre. Paint Pot is Soft Ochre. And now I will be applying this matte white eyeshadow just to make a outline for my crease for my look. It's going to be easier to guide everything that goes on. I will be using smaller pointy brush, just easier to make a crease with it. I don't want anything too sharp, just to make a guideline. Now the next step is to fill my crease, and I'm mixing these two shades. So first one is from Elemental Artistry palette from Ilamasqua, this color right here. And then the other one is this makeup shade from Bperfect Carnival palette. Oh, and also I added a little bit of this light shade, again from Elemental palette, and then just fill my eyelid with it. It ended up being pretty cool shade, but I wanted a specific shade, but it took me a while just to figure how I'm gonna get this undertone because I'm mixing a couple of shades. So the pigment is grabbing really well, and I'm just going to blend it as much as I can, and I'm also connecting this with the previous shadow. And when I come till the end and need to blend this, I can just use the last color and tap a little bit and then work that with on my edges, and that way I can get softer blend. Because this is specific, using 3 shades, I don't want to go again using 3 shades on my edges because it would be too harsh and it's hard to maintain that softness. Now again I'm going to mix a lot of shades. So first I'm gonna use my finger, and first I'm using a little bit of fixing spray, not too much. This is going to be a lot of shades. I'm using Natasha Denona Glam palette, so using this shade, and this shade right here. I have this mixed on my finger, and then a little bit of this shade right here from Mcgrath Voyauristic Vixen palette, and the last one is Cookie Highlighter from Bperfect. Gonna spray that just a little bit again, and then put it right onto my beginning of my eyelid. So this is basically a mixture of a highlight and shimmery eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna take more flat brush and we'll apply more of this color right here just to add a little bit warm. And now with a small brush I'm using again this shade from Pat McGrath, Moonlight License. Such a beautiful light champagne color. And I'm starting from the beginning, and this, because it's a light color, will help me to determine where my line is going to be. Now we're gonna go and emphasize this crease even more. So first I'm gonna take this shade from Illamasqua Artistry palette, Unveiled Artistry palette, and I am going really high with this smaller brush. But like I said, this is going to emphasize our cut crease and it will look much more stronger. And now I need to take my time to blend everything. Also gonna take a smaller blending brush and just blend that really well. See, now when I have a small amount of a product, I can go up really high towards my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna take this color right here, which is pretty much cool brown color. And so since the next step has to be so precise, it was easier for me to not to talk and just do this, not talking on the camera. So now we are gonna create another kind of crease, high crease with the shadows. And for this I'm gonna use different brown tone shades with a really small brush. I'm trying to sketch the outline for this crease and using this deep brown red beautiful color from Pat McGrath. After that I have to smudge this color and use this color, which is number 8 by Master Mattes by Mario. It will help me to diffuse this deeper color and to connect everything with the previous color.